Good morning from the track. It's 6:52 in the morning. We're at Connecticut and tech is about to open at 7 a.m. It's gonna be a hot one today. I think it's gonna be 95 today, so definitely gotta make sure I drink a bunch of water and a bunch of Gatorade with electrolytes just to stay hydrated. It honestly looks like such a great day for the track because it's sunny and we haven't seen the sun much in the last couple of months, so people are still rolling in and I'm ready to go through tech in my little space. Sam's here too. He's my garage mate at Loudon for when we do NEMA races. We'll see how this goes. First full track day of the year and it couldn't come until June, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. The best of it, trying to get as many laps in as possible. Just go out there and have a lot of fun and, you know, drink some water. So stick with it and we're gonna have some fun today. It's 7.
Come back at 8.
8?
8.
No, it's 7.
Racing practice, right?
Yeah.
They're making come back at 8.
Why?
It's because they want to get all the guys who are about to go on the track walk through first.
So I gotta go back to 8?
Yeah.
Steve, when is racer practice tech?
Huh?
When is racer practice tech?
8:30.
8:30?
Oh, we don't get on track till 10.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, and I meant to tell them. You got kicked out already?
Yeah. I'll be back.
Welcome to Thompson. My name is Eric Wood. I've been running the penguin school for the last couple of decades, and I appreciate everyone being out here today. We have a nice small group today, which means beautiful open track time today. I don't think the motorcycling public in New England has yet recovered from Laconia Bike Week, so we got some hangovers going on there. So those of you that came out to make up today, we're going to have a fantastic day for you. Again, we don't have even 20 riders in any one group. This opening meeting is just going to kind of be a guidepost for the day, and we'll get going from there. Just quick show of hands. If you are new to the racetrack, haven't been here before, a bunch of you, very good. Welcome very much. Feel very glad to have you guys here.
I've done 2 sessions. Sam's done an hour, so kudos to him because like it is freaking hot out here, man. Once you get moving, it's okay, but standing in line to go out onto the track, it gets pretty rough because everyone's just waiting to get let out. So I've been trying to go as late as possible. I'm doing terrible at this track. Last year, I think I was able to do 26s, 27s, and I'm doing 31s right now, so it's not great. First session was spent completely trying to get readjusted to the bike. For some reason, I hopped on and the bike felt very, very foreign. I'm gonna take a breather for about 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna kind of fix my clip-on because they're not in a spot that I really enjoy. Yeah, the last session was a little bit better. Still hot, but was able to get some decent laps in. Mainly just breaking in my gear, these new boots, and just work on body positioning because it's too hot to do anything else. We got 1 more session before an hour's lunch break. Just gonna go and you know, just get more familiarized on track because it's been, I don't know, like 3 months since I've had legitimate on-track time for about a whole day. The other racer practice from round 2 was rained out, so I didn't get to get much seat time. So this is the first time since last September I've gotten a full day's worth of seat time, and just trying to get back onto it, man. It's hot out here. Stay hydrated. Oh.